Next question, find the quotient in each of the following. So, in this division we have to find the quotient. The first question is 8424 we have to divide with 4. So, this is our divisor and this is our dividend. So, we have to divide this dividend with the divisor. So, what is our divisor? Our divisor is 4. 8424 is divided by 4. Now, the first place is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. First we have to divide thousands place. In 4 table when you will get 8, 4 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then after same number minus same number is 0. So, then copy hundreds place. In 4 table when you will get 4, 4 1s are 4 1s are 4. Then same number minus same number 0. Then after that tens place we have to take. So, 10 place, in tens place 2 is there. So, then where you will get 2 in 4 table, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So, that is greater than 2, 4 1s are is greater than 2. So, we have to take 4 zeros are, 4 zeros are 0. Now, minus 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0 is 2. Then next you copy ones place. So, what is there in ones place? 4. Now, what is our number? 24, 2 tens and 4 ones, that is 24 ones. When you will get 24 ones in 4 table? So, once you read your 4 table, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 6s are 24. Then minus, same number minus same number is 0. Then what he is asking? Quotient. So, we have to write quotient. What is your quotient? This is your quotient. Your quotient is 2106. This is your quotient. Next question, 7770 we have to divide with 10. 7770 divide with 10. Then this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. First we have to take 77. When you will get 77 in 10? 10 sevens are 70, 10 sevens are 70, then minus 7 minus 0, 7, 7 minus 7 is 0, do not take that one. Next, again you take this 7, again when you will get 77 in 10, 10 sevens are 70, then 7 minus 0, 7, 7 minus 7 is 0, no need to take that. And after that ones place we have to copy. What is there in ones place? 0. Now, when you will get 17 10, 10 sevens are, it is very easy to say 7, 10 sevens are 70, then the remainder is 0. Now, what is the quotient? 777. Our quotient is 777. This is our quotient. Next, in this 250 divided by 5, what we have to do? So, we have to divide 250 with divisor. What is our divisor? Our divisor is 5. Now, this is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Then first we have to take 2, 2 is less than this divisor. So, we have to take 25 40 time. So, then after when you will get 25 in 5 table. So, in 5 table when you will get 25. So, read your 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. Then 25 minus 25 is 0. Then after you have to take this 0. Ones place is there, that ones place we have to copy, and we have to check when you will get this 0 in 5 table. 5 zeros are 0. So, 0 minus 0 0. Here 0, this is not a remainder. So, do not stop till here. So, this is not remainder. Ones place first we have to copy, then after that we have to check when it will come in 5 table. 5 zeros are 0. So, like this you have to take, otherwise you miss 1 0 here in quotient. Okay. Then what is your quotient? Your quotient is 50. Our quotient is 50. Okay. Next question, find the quotient and remainder. So, in this division we have to find the quotient as well as remainder. The first question, 9632 we have to divide with 3, and the second question 8005 we have to divide with 2. So, after dividing we have to find, so we have to write the quotient as well as our remainder. See here, so this is the divisor and this is the dividend. It means 3 divides 9632. 9632. So, this is our ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. First we have to divide this thousands place. In 3 table when you will get 9. So, read your 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9 we have to write. Then minus. Same number minus same number, remainder is 0, means difference is 0, no need to take. Next you copy hundreds place, that is 6. Divide hundreds place now. In 3 table when you will get this 6, read your 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, right here 2, 3 twos are 6. Same number minus same number is 0. Then again we have to copy tens place, that is 3. In 3 table when you will get 3, 3 ones are 3. Next same number minus same number is 0. If 0, no need to take that 0, no need to take that 0. Next take ones place. What is there in ones place? In ones place 2 is there. Ones place 2, this is not the remainder. So, this is our ones place, this is our ones place. If the remainder is 2, then we will stop till here only. So, this is our ones place, we have to copy ones place. After copying ones place, we have to check in 3 table when you will get 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 is more than this, then do not take 3 ones are 3. Then what you have to do? 3 zeros are 0, you have to take 3 zeros are 3 zeros are 0, then minus 2 minus 0 2. Now, this is the remainder. Now, this is the remainder. If you stop till here only, so then your answer will be 321. Then say in that case you will get your quotient wrong. So, whenever your ones place is there, so that ones place is less than the divisor. So, then you have to take zeros are. Then after that make minus. Then that is our remainder. If once we left this ones place, simply so 321 is our quotient, that is wrong. So, we have to take 3 zeros are, then after that, so make minus and whatever the remainder, that is your remainder. Okay. Now, here, so now we have to write quotient. What is the quotient here? 3210, this is your quotient. 3210, this is your quotient, and remainder is 2. This is your quotient and remainder. Okay. Now, here 8005 we have to divide with 2. Then how to divide this? This is the divisor and this is the dividend. So, we have to divide divisor with dividend with divisor. So, 2 divides 8005. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Now, we have to take 8's place. So, we have to divide this 8 with 2. So, when you will get 8 into table, 8 ones are 8, 8 2, not 8 table, 2. In 2 table we have to check when you will get 8. So check in 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Then in the quotient we have to take 4 and 2 4s are 8 here. Then minus. Same number minus same number is 0. If minus is 0 means difference is 0, then go for next place. What is our next place? Hundreds place. Copy your hundreds place. Now you check in 2 table when you will get 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 is greater than this 0. Now what we have to do? So we have to take 2 zeros are 2 zeros are 0. So we have to take 2 zeros also. Okay, 2 zeros are 0. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. No need to take that difference. Why? Because the difference is 0. When the difference is 0, then you go for the next place. You copy the next place, that is tens place. What is there in tens place? 0. Copy that 0. Again 0 is there. So once we check when we will get 0. Again the same thing, 2 1s are 2 is greater than this 0. So you have to take 2 zeros are. 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, difference is 0. No need to write. So next we have to copy the next place, that is ones place. Now we divide ones place with the divisor. Now when you will get, so this 5 in 2 table, read your 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 6 is greater than this, means 2 2s are we have to take. 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, this is your remainder. So because once place is over, once the last digit it's over, then after subtraction whatever the number is left, that is the remainder. So what is the remainder? So in the process, means in the division process, so whatever the number left after the completion of our division, so that one is called remainder. So here one is the remainder. Now here we have to write quotient. What is the quotient? Our quotient is 4002 and remainder our remainder is 1. 1 is the remainder and quotient is, so that remainder is 1 and quotient is 4002. So more 2 questions were there in this bit, that 2 similar questions you do as your home assignment. Okay. Next question, divide and check. So we have to divide and after that we have to check our answer. See here. So this is the divisor, this is the dividend. So this divisor divides this dividend. So 6 divides 6600. Okay. Now so this is a ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. First we have to divide 6 with this thousands place first. What is there in your thousands place? 6. So when you will get 6 in 6 table, read your 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 is greater than this 6. So you have to take 6 1s are 6. Then the same number minus same number is 0. So if 0 is there, if the difference is 0, don't take that 0. Then you go for next place. So that is our hundreds place. What is there in hundreds? 6 is there. So that we have to copy again. Then next, so we have to check in 6 table when you will get 6. Again you read 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. It means 6 1s are again. 6 1s are 6. Same number minus same number is 0. Same number minus same number is 0. If the difference is 0, then no need to take that difference. Then after that, so we have to copy next place. Next place, tens place is 0 and ones place is 0. If tens place and ones place both were 0, rest of the places were 0. So simply you have to copy 0 and 0 here. So that's it, your answer is over. If you want to do completely, then how to do? So once you copy this 0, tens place 0. In 6 table when you will get 0, 6 zeros are 0. and after that again one more place is there, ones place. So 0 again, when you will get 0 in 6 table, 6 zeros are 0. So difference is 0. So in this way we have to do. If you want to do, so if rest of the places were 0, if you want to do till last, then this is the procedure. If you want to stop till here, that's also okay. So rest of the places 2 zeros were there, that 2 zeros you have to so write in your quotient place, then your answer will be over. Or if you want to do so till ones place, then this is the procedure to do till ones place. Okay. Then so this is your dividend, this is your divisor, and this is the quotient, and this is the remainder. Then what is the formula? Formula, when the remainder is 0, when the remainder is 0, then formula dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. So when if remainder is 0, so no need to take plus remainder. So when the remainder is 0, if the remainder is something left after the completion of our procedure, then we have to take plus remainder also. Here there is no remainder, means nothing is left, 0 is there. If we add plus 0, the same thing you will get. So that is why no need to take plus remainder. So when if your remainder is 0. Okay. Then dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. What is your dividend? 6600, that is your dividend, is equal to divisor. So what is your divisor? 6 is your divisor, and what is your quotient? 1100. Now we have to multiply 1100 with the divisor. Now 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. Here also 6600. Both were equal, LHS and RHS, both the values are equal. So our answer is correct. Our answer is, so this is the method how to check your result, means your answer. Okay. So this is the complete procedure, here division procedure, and this is your check, how to check your answer, your result. Okay. Next, the second one, 5552, this we have to divide with 5. This is the divisor and this is the dividend. So divisor divides this dividend. So then 5 divides 5552. Then this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. First we have to divide thousands place with the divisor. When you will get 5 in 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are, in the quotient we have to take 1, 5 ones are 5. Then minus, same number minus same number, 0. If the difference is 0, then you go for the next place, hundreds place, divide hundreds place. Again, once again we get here 5. So when you will get 5 in 5, again 5 ones are 5. The same number minus same number is 0. Then you go for the next place, that is tens place, divide tens place. Again 5, this 5, when you will get 5 in 5 table, 5 ones are again same, 5 ones are 5, minus same number minus same number is 0. Then you go for the next place, that is ones place. So this 2 is not a remainder. So just 2 is left, 2 is less than this divisor. So this is only the remainder, don't do like that. Once you check, when you will get 2 in 5 table, 2, 5 ones are 5. So our table starts from 5 ones are, we know 5 ones are 5, 5 twos, our table starts from 5 ones only. So if you go for a 5 ones, it is less than the 5. So 5 zeros are also is there, 5 zeros are. So all the numbers, all the tables will start from 5 zeros are, 6 zeros are, 7 zeros are. But in our tables chart, 5 ones is there, so we think that the table starts from 5 ones only. It is not like that, 5 zeros are also there. So you go for 5 zeros are, 5 zeros are 0. Now minus 2 minus 0 is 2. Now this is the remainder. Now this is the remainder. Okay. Now this is our quotient, divisor, dividend, and remainder. Now check. Here the remainder is something is left after the process. So we have to take plus remainder also in the formula. Check. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder plus now what is the dividend here? 5552. Take that one. 5552 is equal to divisor is 5 into quotient 1110 plus what is the remainder? Remainder is 2. Now we have to multiply this quotient with the divisor. See here 1110 with 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 plus 2. 5550 plus 2, 50 plus 2, 52. It means 5552 is equal to 5552. LHS is equal to RHS here. Both the values are equal, LHS and RHS. Here result means your answer is correct. Okay. So again in this bit more 2 sums were there, so that similar questions you do as your home assignment. Okay. Next students, what problems? See here, first question. Meenu sticks 804 stamps in an album in a week. So then if she sticks 4 stamps in one page, then how many pages did she use? Then total how many stamps were there? 804 stamps were there. First we have to understand 804 stamps so and so, in particular in a week 804 stamps she Meenu going to stick. Then in each page 8 stamps she is going to paste. Then how many pages she need? So for total 804 what stamps? So she wants to she pasted. So how many stamps? 804 stamps. In each page he pasted 4 stamps. How many stamps she pasted? She pasted 4 stamps in each page. In each page 4 stamps she pasted. Total how many stamps were there? 804. This 804, to paste 804 stamps, then how many pages she need? So what we have to do? So we have to divide this total stamp. So with in one page how many stamps she pasted? So with that quantity means 4 stamps. With 4 stamps she should divide the total stamps 804. Then she will get number of pages she needs. Okay. So here after first in the word problem, first we have to understand the problem. Then after that we have to decide what we have to do, either addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Then after that procedure means steps we have to write. So then after that procedure, after that simplification, after that conclusion steps. These steps were there in your what problems. Okay. First solution. So in that solution, so first you have to write here steps. Total how many stamps were there? Total stamps sticks. Total stamp sticks is equal to 804 stamps. This many stamps she sticks. Then number of stamps sticks on each page. On each page how many stamps she sticks? 4 stamps. Then number of pages she used is equal to 804 divided by 4. Total stamps divide with number of stamps on each page. 4 divided by 804. So, ones, tens and 100. So, first we have to divide hundreds place with 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Then after that we have to copy 0. Why? Because same number minus same number is 0. So, we have to copy tens place. So, 0, when you will get 0 in 4 table? 4 zeros are 0. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. Then you go for the next place, copy next place, that is ones place. Then when you will get 4 in 4? 4 ones are 4. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. Then how many pages? She used 204. Therefore, number of pages she used is equal to 201 pages. 201 pages she used. Next, Lisha cut 7 pieces out of one cake. In one cake, how many pieces she made? 7 pieces. Then how many cakes does she need for 84 guests? How many guests were there? 84 guests. So, for that 84 guests, how many cakes she need? Say in one cake, how many pieces she is going to make? 7 pieces. So, what we have to do? So, we have to divide total number of pieces. How many guests were there? So, for 84 guests she need, so 1 piece for each, 1 piece for each. So, this total number of guests. So, we have to divide with this 7 pieces. Then, number of pieces in one cake. Number of pieces in one cake. 7 pieces. 7 pieces were there in one cake. Then how many cakes does she need for 84 guests? Therefore, number of pieces need for 84 guests. That is, this 84 we have to divide with 7. So, here not number of pieces, here number of cakes, cakes. Number of cakes need for 84 guests. Then 84 divide, so this divided by 7. This is ones place, this is tens place. First we have to divide tens place with 7. When you will get 8 in 7? So, read your 7 table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 14 is more than this 8. So, 7 ones are 7 we have to take. Then 8 minus 7 is 1. Then after that next place we have to copy, that is ones place. Now, when you will get 14 in 7? 7 twos are 14. Then 14 minus 14, 0. Then how many cakes she need? Total 12 cakes. Therefore, total 12 cakes she need for 84 guests. For 84 guests, how many cakes she need? 12 cakes. Why? Because in one cake she is going to make 7 pieces. In that way, if 12 cakes were there, then total she can make 84 pieces. So, that is why she need 12 cakes for 84 guests. Okay, students. Next, students, this is our enrichment activity, maths activity. See here. So, what is the main motto of this activity? So, by this activity you can develop the concept of division by using a repeated subtraction. repeated subtraction. So then how to do? So what material we need? So here material we need 50 marbles, 50 marbles or otherwise 50 pebbles or otherwise 50 coins. Anyone 50 marbles or 50 pebbles or 50 coins, whatever it is, for each student. So then after that 5 balls. So 5 balls per student. Per student how many balls? 5 balls. Okay. So then after that what we have to do? So in your class you should divide into means pair. So 2 students make one group. 2 students, 2 students, 2 student and 2 students, like that. You make one group. Okay. 2 students in one group means one pair. So make one pair. So yourself. Then after that what we have to do? So this total 50 pebbles. So in this total, so this is our question. 15 divided by 5. So this is our question, 15 divided by 5. So this is our division question. So then this division question how to do? By using a repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction how to do? See here. In this, out of this 50 marbles, so we have to take out 15 marbles. Why? Because 15 marbles here 15 divides 5. So that is why 15 marbles we have to take out this. From 50, out of 50 marbles we have to take out 15 marbles, 5 marbles. Then check here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total 15 marbles we have to take out. So then after that what we have to do? So these are 5 balls. How many balls you have? You have 5 balls. Then after that 15 divided by 5 is there. First this is our divisor. So in this divisor, what is the divisor here? 5 is a divisor. First we have to take 5 marbles and keep in first bowl. How many marbles? 5 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 marbles we have to keep in one bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 marbles. Then after completing 5 marbles, then 15 is there now. In total 15 marbles. So we take out 5 marbles. How? 15. So 5 marbles. Then how many marbles left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 marbles left. How many marbles left? 10 marbles left. Then after that again what we have to do? Again we have to take out, again we have to keep 5 marbles in the second bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many marbles? 5 marbles again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 marbles in second bowl. So total how many marbles were there after that? 10 marbles. In the 10 marbles, again how many marbles we keep in second bowl? 5 marbles. Then how many marbles were left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 marbles were left. Okay. How many marbles? 5 marbles were left. Then after that again, so 5 marbles we have to keep in another bowl. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 marbles we have to keep in the third bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 marbles so we have to keep in the third bowl. So then how many marbles left? 5. In that 5 marbles we kept in the third bowl. Then how many marbles left here? 0 marbles left here. 0 marbles left here. Then here total how many marbles we took? So 15 marbles. In that 15 marbles, number of balls, how many total balls we have? Total we have 5 balls. But number of times used, fill the ball. How many balls we used? 1, 2, 3. So we are using 3 balls. How many times we used? 3 times. It means, so number of balls 15. If 15 divided by 5, then answer is, the division is 3. Our division is 3. 3 is our, it means if 15 divided by 5, if 15 divided by 5, so that is 3. It means 15 divided by 5. How many balls we used here? So that we have to write how many balls we used. How many balls we used out of these 5 balls? How many balls you used? So that is our answer. 3 times. In the third time, so in this 15 marbles, 0 marbles left. How many times? After taking 3 times. After keeping in 3 balls equal number of marbles, so then we are getting 0 marbles left here. So it is nothing but repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. Using this ball concept, we can understand how to divide using subtraction method. So this is one of the problem I gave. So many more means more some questions you take by yourself. 18 divided by 6 is equal to, then take. Now in this case you have to take 16 marbles. Here how many marbles you have to take? 16 marbles, and each ball you have to keep 6 marbles. Then how many marbles we can fill, that you have to write. Okay. So you prepare more questions like this and you do your and you complete your chart. Okay. So this is the concept. This from this you can know the division. So how to divide using a repeated subtraction. Okay.